Hello everyone, how are you? Today I'm in Warwick Bushland Reserve in Perth, and is one of the best bushland reserve where you can see orchids everywhere. At this time of the year we are in the flowering peak of the blue sun orchids. Telemitra macrophylla is an example of one of these orchids. It's a beautiful species with an intense color, blue-violet color, and also with a very pleasant scent. Meanwhile, I was walking through the Bushland Reserve, the scent just reached me, and I was super involved in this amazing experience. And this is, really exciting. This time of the year is, for me, the best because we can appreciate so many flowering plants in full bloom, and it's the right time also for many orchid species. So I want to share with you the beauty I'm seeing here. Look at the inflorescence. It's so crowded, the spike of this species is full of flowers, so many flowers, and also I want to share with you what I'm doing here, what we are doing. So we are actually investigating the pollination mechanism, specific floral traits that are responsible for the attraction of the pollinators. To date, I haven't seen so much activity, I have to say, just a few beetles visiting these orchids, but we are more interested in some fine structures that are responsible for the pollinator attraction. So it's potential, this species is a potential mimic of another species, which is Orchids laxus, or commonly known as morning lily, I think, or morning. Now I just missed the name, the common name. I will have a look, but the scientific name is Orchids laxus, and I smelled it. And it seems that I emanate a similar smell of this species. And there is actually a former study that showed that kind of olfactory cues involved, potentially involved in the mimicry system of this species. So basically, this species is food receptive, so doesn't produce any reward to the pollinator like nectar, as the plants usually do. So it doesn't reward the pollinators. Instead, imitates other species that instead produce rewards. In this case, the other species produces pollen as a reward. So the potential pollinators are pollen consuming species, pollinators. And that is very interesting. Generally, the pollinators are focused on nectar. They focus on nectar as a reward, but here possibly is different. Is a different strategy that involves pollinators that are pollen consuming pollinators. Okay, so we need to proceed with our research. Now we continue our immersion in this marvelous bushland reserve. See you guys!